Hey everyone, Eric here, and welcome back to another What's Happening in the Credit Card World, where I give you updates to news that you'd otherwise might miss due to various reasons. The last thing I want as a credit card YouTuber is for my audience to miss out on rewards and deals that would have otherwise helped you get even more cash back when paying with their own credit cards. Granted, some of these deals might expire by the time you watch this video, so make sure to keep up with the latest news by subscribing to the channel. So with the intros being done, let's get into this week's updates. First, American Express has decided that the coupon bookification of their credit cards are going to continue, and with that, a bunch of changes to the Delta co-branded credit card lineup. The first major change is the annual fees for the Delta Gold, Delta Platinum, and the Delta Reserve co-branded credit cards and its business credit card cousins. Why no changes to the Delta Blue? I guess even American Express thinks that that card is a waste of time. For the Delta Gold, the annual fee has increased from the original $99 annual fee after the first year to now a new $150 annual fee after the first year, a $51 annual fee increase. New benefits for the Delta Gold include a $200 annual statement credit toward Delta flights after spending $10,000 in a calendar year. This perk did exist already, but prior to this change, it was only a $100 statement credit, and a $100 statement credit toward eligible prepaid hotel and vacation rentals with Delta Stays bookings. Definitely reasonable if you're someone who is able to spend over $10,000 with the Delta Gold card, but most will definitely agree that overall it's a negative change. For the Delta Business Gold, it's the same changes with a $51 increase annual fee from $99 to $150. For new benefits, it's the same ones as the Delta Gold personal card, but now the business version also includes 2x miles on US shipping and US advertising purchases. Again, overall a negative change. For the Delta Platinum, the annual fee has increased from the original $250 annual fee to now a new $350 annual fee, a $100 annual fee increase. For new benefits, there is now a $120 Resi credit that is broken down to $10 a month, negative. A new rideshare credit of $120 that is also broken down to $10 a month, negative. A new $150 statement credit for prepaid hotels and vacation rentals with Delta Stays bookings, elite status boost, upgraded HYATT status, and an expanded companion certificate which now includes the US, Hawaii, Alaska, Mexico, the Caribbean, and Central America. So that is a positive. For the Delta Business Platinum, it's also the same changes with a $100 annual fee increase from $250 to $350. For new benefits, it's the same ones as the Delta Platinum personal card, but now the business version also includes 1.5x miles on US shipping and single purchases of $5,000 or more. Again, overall negative changes. For the Delta Reserve, the annual fee has increased from the original $550 annual fee to now a new $650 annual fee, also a $100 annual fee increase. For new benefits, it's a Resi credit for $240 that's broken down to $20 per month, negative. A rideshare credit for up to $120 annually broken down to $10 per month, negative. Delta Stay credit for up to $200 per year, elite status boost, HYATT's presidential status, and expanded companion certificate. For the Delta Business Reserve, it's the same changes with a $100 annual fee increase from $550 to $650. For new benefits, it's the same ones as the Delta Reserve Personal, but now the business version also includes 1.5x miles on transit, US shipping, and US supply stores. Overall, it's the same principles that American Express has been following since they test ran the coupon bookification of the American Express Platinum card. Obviously, they've seen positive results, or else this disease wouldn't be infecting all of the other products that American Express has to offer. Overall, the general sentiment is that some people are not happy with these changes, and that's definitely understandable. I've personally never been a fan of airline co-branded credit cards in the first place, so this news doesn't really affect myself in particular, but if you or someone you know has a Delta credit card, it's definitely time to reconsider. And with American Express's CFO recently revealing that they are planning to refresh 40-ish of their products, only time will tell what other credit cards will get a refresh in the future. However, if you're someone who is able to reasonably use these credits without going out of your way to use them, overall I'd say these are positive changes. You're just prepaying for these credits anyways with those annual fee increases. Next, a bunch of credit cards are getting new welcome bonus offers, and as the #1 way to earn a ton of points without spending a ton of money, you might want to consider applying for one of these cards. The cards in question are the Barclays Hawaiian Airlines credit card that now has a 70,000 miles welcome bonus offer after one purchase within 90 days of account opening. That's right, that's basically a free 70,000 points. The only caveat to the card is that it does have a $99 annual fee, but if you do fly Hawaiian, this is a great offer to get. The next card is the United Business Card with a 100,000 bonus miles offer after spending $5,000 within the first 3 months of account opening. This is reasonably a pretty solid offer considering previous offers consisted of 50,000 points after spending $5,000, 75,000 points after spending $5,000, and a 150,000 point offer after spending $20,000. The next card is the Chase Marriott Bonvoy Boundless with a new welcome bonus offer of 5 free night certificates after spending $5,000 within the first 3 months of account opening. These certificates can be used at properties costing up to 50,000 points per night. And finally, the Citi Advantage Platinum Select World Elite MasterCard is offering a 2-step welcome bonus offer. The first step is 30,000 American Airline miles after spending $1,500 within the first 3 months of account opening, plus up to $400 in statement credits on eligible American Airline purchases within the first 6 months of account opening. And finally, the Capital One Venture X Business and Capital One Spark Cash Plus have insane new welcome bonus offers, which comes in 2 parts. The first part is a 150,000 miles offer after spending $20,000 within the first 3 months of account opening, and an additional 150,000 miles after spending $100,000 within the first 6 months of account opening. Now obviously it's hard to quantify these numbers when we're comparing them to the normal welcome bonus offers that we'd get for a personal credit card like the Personal Venture X, which is a 75,000 point offer after spending $4,000. But even when comparing these numbers to say the American Express Business Platinum, which is also a business credit card, the numbers just don't make sense. Currently, the welcome bonus offer on the Business Platinum is an elevated anywhere between 120 to 190,000 point offer after spending $15,000 within the first 3 months of account opening, which is comparable to the first part of the Venture X Business offer, but the second part is just way too obscure. Unless you're someone who is running a decently sized business with expenditures that go over $100,000 in 6 months rather comfortably, there's no reason to ever try and go for that second part of that offer. As for what the Venture X Business Card has to offer, it's essentially the Personal Venture X, but instead of it being a Visa Infinite card, the Venture X Business is a World Elite MasterCard. But like any good offers, make sure to use discretion as always, evaluate your own lifestyle before making a decision. Alright, who's ready for the lightning round? Ready? Let's go. Up first, if you're eyeing to get a US bank credit card soon, it's recommended that you have a relationship with them first. A good way to do that is by creating a US bank business checking account, and with a new account comes a $800 welcome bonus offer. Next, Chase is offering a 60% transfer bonus to IHG hotels. That's a 1 to 1.6 rate. It's definitely better than the normal 1 to 1 rate, but as Dr. of Credit talked about, when you consider the IHG points are only worth 0.5 cents per point, this offer isn't as enticing as you might think. Next, speaking of Marriott is offering 1,000 bonus points plus 1 bonus elite night credit for each night stayed between February 13th and April 29th. If you're eyeing to get higher elite statuses and exclusive benefits faster, make sure to capitalize on this deal. And finally, both the World of Hyatt personal and business credit cards have gotten a newly revamped welcome bonus offer. For the personal version, it's a 2-step welcome bonus offer, with the first step being 35,000 bonus points after spending $3,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. And the second step being the potential to earn 30,000 more bonus points by earning 2 bonus points total per dollar spent in the first 6 months of account opening for purchases that would usually typically earn 1 bonus point for up to $15,000 spent. For the business version, it's also a 2-step welcome bonus offer, but a little better in my opinion, as the first step is 60,000 bonus points after spending $5,000 within the first 3 months of account opening, with an additional 15,000 bonus points after spending $12,000 within the first 6 months of account opening. Alright, those are all the relevant deals that I've seen for the week of February 3rd, 2024. These videos will always come out every weekend on Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. And with that, thank you for watching. As always, stay safe out there, everybody. Peace. Those of you out there that are new to the channel, hi, my name is Eric. I generally talk about everything credit card related, but more recently I've been making videos on broader financial topics such as these videos right here. The main goal for this channel is to provide informational and meaningful financial related content that everybody everywhere can enjoy. So again, if you'd like to support that dream, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that, thank you for watching as always. Until next time, everybody, stay safe out there. Peace.